Hey, wondering what it would be like to buy a house without a real estate agent? We're talking about it today, starting right now. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alyson Wahl with LiveSouthDenver. I'm a real estate strategist and a realtor, and I help people make their move to and in South Denver. Welcome back to part 2 of buying a house without a real estate agent. All right, let's jump in. Last video we left off with where we're gonna start this time. Step number 1, congratulations, you're under contract. What's next? Number 2, submit your earnest money. The seller wants to know you're serious. Number 3, you need a calendar. You have dates and deadlines to follow. If you submitted a strong offer, you enter dates and deadlines that coincide with contingencies that really help you as the buyer. But if you miss one of those dates or deadlines, you could lose your earnest money and the opportunity to buy the property. Number 4, you're gonna need to purchase lender's title insurance. Unless you're paying cash for the property, it's gonna be a part of the process that needs to happen. If you're buying a for sale by owner, make sure that the seller is purchasing owner's title insurance as well. Step 5, the title company is gonna send you the title record. Review it, make sure the title looks clean. Step 6, get that loan moving along. You don't want to get caught 30 or 45 days down the road with your loan not ready. Step 7, review all the due diligence documents. Step 8, conduct a home inspection. I cannot stress this one enough. Find the very best home inspector you can find, have a thorough home inspection. If need be, come back with specialists and do more home inspections. Know the house as well as you can inside and out. Number 9 and number 10, do you need to test for lead? Are you going to do a remodel, and should you be testing for asbestos? Number 11, at this point you should probably be entering into a period of renegotiation. If the home sale and home purchase were occurring between a seller and a buyer that were each represented by agents, what would happen after the home inspection would be what's called an inspection objection and an inspection resolution. If you wrote the offer well, had a great attorney, you should be entering into a period of renegotiation. What I will encourage you to know and understand about this process, particularly if there is an agent on the other side, is that your very best opportunity for success is to look at items that really are only health and safety items in the home as you ask for the seller to fix things, to concede money, to make any changes to the property. All right, what questions do you have about these steps so far? Put them in the comments below and I'll leave you an answer. So I have not in any way covered all the due diligence possibilities. But once due diligence is satisfied and contingencies are lifted, your eyes are on closing. Step 12, it is a good idea to have a walkthrough of the property you're buying before you get to the closing table and closing day. Well, what are you looking for? You want to make sure the property is in the same condition it was when you put in your contract. There aren't new holes in the wall. There are not things left behind that you expected to be gone. There aren't things that were taken you expected to be left behind. What is closing day? In Colorado, it's the day you sign the papers. There's a transfer of funds and transfer of possession. Transfer of possession can occur on another day that would have already been specified in your contract. And last, step 14, don't come to closing with cash or a personal check. That won't cut it. You better come with a cashier's check or wired funds, and be on the lookout for wire fraud. My purpose in being in real estate is to glorify God by serving my clients with excellence and wisdom, growing each client's wealth through real estate so that dreams and legacies that strengthen families are fulfilled. Let me ask you a question. Is the reason that you're looking at going through this process alone is that you haven't yet found a real estate agent that has a purpose that serves others? If so, please, I want to encourage you, just keep looking. You can have a great experience with an agent, and that experience can also add to your wealth. Even if you're not in Colorado, I can still help you. I can connect you with great agents. I personally have connections with agents you would want to know all across the country. You don't have to do this alone. If you want to do it alone, more power to you. I have given you so much information. There's not much you would miss, especially if you hire a really great real estate attorney. Hey, thank you for watching. I always appreciate it when you spend a little bit of your day with me. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button so we can hang out a little bit next week too. I'll see you next Thursday.